What it do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below. And stay tuned for future uploads. If you love home organization, motivational cleaning videos, this is the right place for you. Now at this point, I kind of just gave up on scrubbing the pot, so I decided I was just going to soak it. I've been soaking that pot for about 2 days now, and it has not been able to come out. So I thought I'd give it one more day and see what happens. You're going to be seeing me use these Clorox wipes a lot. I love Clorox wipes. I can wipe anything down. I can wipe my counters down. I can wipe the kids' tables down. I mean, I love these Clorox wipes. They are ideal for wiping counters, cleaning bathrooms, anything that you need to be wiped down. It is awesome. Now here is the final result. I wiped the counters down. I went ahead and washed the dishes. Mind the pot that I'm going to soak again. But overall, my counters are clean. Like I said earlier, I wiped them down with Clorox wipes, which I love. And I swept and mopped the floor. So this is what I would call a daily thing that I do just to keep my kitchen clean. I love wiping my counters. So this is the final result of what you just watched. As you guys just seen, I just finished cleaning my kitchen. I swept, mop, and cleaned my counters down, washed the dishes. So right now, I walked into my bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and fix my bed, and then I'm going to move right on to cleaning up my bathroom. So this is the before. Now, I wouldn't expect anything less than it to be a mess because everybody uses this bathroom every single day. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean it. I do clean it daily. Here I go again with my Clorox wipes and my Clorox spray. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going to clean off my whole entire counter. I'm going to go ahead and clean the countertops and make sure that everything is nice and clean. This tends to get messy. That's why I try to do my kitchen and my bathroom daily, because these are the two main spots that everybody goes to mostly. This is where most of the traffic happens in my house. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that all organized and cleaned. So here we have the finished product. I wiped the counters down. I put what we use the most out just so that we don't have people going in the cabinets and making a mess. So I put what's most convenient on top of the counter, and this is the result.